EAH Productions.
Fighting back and forth when we don't know what we fighting about. Feelings everywhere, whatever came out the mouth we take wrong. Can we just get along? We both got shit going on. Times like these we need to stay strong. But I don't know if I can stay strong. Every way I move I feel like I'm wrong. Cause you always have an opinion. Feel like I can't think for myself. Not good with relationships. That's why I stay by myself. But I know I won't find nobody else. Going through some days, whole we pull through. Might be twisted up right now, but no, I still care about you.
But no, I still care about you.
Try my best to understand and work with you, but you're always having your guard up. That's my fault. I know I've changed and you watch me grow. Still building that trust though. Be feeling I'm not getting anywhere though, but trust is hard to fix, yo. Growing up, got taught trust is the key, but you're iffy giving me those keys. Why though? Always asking why don't you leave since you having doubts. She replies, hopefully you'll see that I truly love you and we can work it out. Damn, she's right though, that's why I grew up and fight every day though. Every couple has their ups and downs though. If y'all truly vibing, y'all will pull through it though. I promise. Relationship goes though. Going through some things, whole we pull through. Might be twisted up right now, but no, I still care about you.
But no, I still care about you.